In this video, I will show you how to update Mozilla Firefox in laptop. To get started, open up Mozilla Firefox on your laptop, and once you've done that, all you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three lines to open this menu, and from here you want to scroll down until you see the help option down towards the bottom. Click onto help and that's going to bring up some more options, and from here you want to click onto about Firefox. Now as you can see, it's going to come up with a window like this, and to update from here you can see we have a link to click to restart, which is going to update Firefox. So all you need to do is simply click onto that link. What that's going to do is restart Firefox, and at the same time it's going to update it as well. You might get a permission window come up asking to update Firefox, so just click yes onto that, and what it's going to do is update Firefox, and when it restarts you will have the latest version of Mozilla Firefox. So as you can see, when it's loaded back up it says your Firefox has been updated. So that's how to update Mozilla Firefox on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.